If you use vehicles in your company, then you already know that you will benefit from a fleet system. However, you probably feel like you just do not have the time to get one set up. Introducing MoreFleet's Fleet in a Box, the self-install instant fleet tracking system. All of us now expect everything to be delivered straight to us and be ready to use instantly. So why should your fleet system be any different? You have two self-install options. The OBD port is typically located underneath the steering wheel. Just plug your OBD tracker into the port. Your 2-wire tracker attaches straight to the vehicle battery. Just connect the live and earth wires to the battery terminal points. If you have on-site engineers, you can also hardwire your 2-wire tracker to a permanent feed. Once connected, just log into your private mapping panel. Your account is already active and your whole fleet will now be instantly running more efficiently. MoreFleet also provides express mobile installation nationwide. So if you prefer, our engineers can install your fleet trackers for you in any UK postcode. With no monthly contracts or minimum term, MoreFleet is the simplest and most cost-effective fleet tracking system available. Ready to get your fleet running more efficiently? Contact us today.